All right, so number 4 is actually a review of what we did last week. Starting on number 5, we have new problems. Number 4 is an addition problem. They have a plus sign in between. All we have to do first, though, before we can add them up, you've got to multiply. You've got to distribute everything in the first matrix by 2. Let's do that. So I've got 4, I've got 6, 8, negative 2. Chance, you're not supposed to be on your phone in class. All right, for my second matrix, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. That's negative 9, that's 6, 0, 15. Anybody have a question on that first step? All right, so you guys who were here last week, what do I do to finish this up? Yeah, you just add up. You can kind of think of it as add up like terms, or you're going to add up this spot and this spot because they're the same spot. So 4, negative 9, I got negative 5 for that spot. 8 plus 0 is 8 there. 6 plus 6 is 12 there. Negative 2 plus 15 is 13. So we did that last week. That's nothing new. We will have that on the test Thursday. But now we're going to start doing some new stuff. And that's pretty easy. I don't think anybody's going to miss out on the test.
Wait a minute here.
All right, look at it, Willie.
I gotta make a 90.
Willie, you got a question on anything I've done up here?
No, but,
Okay.
you gotta figure this out.
We're going to take a look at our quiz grades.
In the class today, we can. All right, Willie, you good?
I ain't know mine now, so I know what I mean.
All right, so now let's go to number 5. This is new stuff. Chance, how is this new stuff?
You got a time.
Guys, we now got a times. We have a multiply sign in between each matrix. We're going to have to multiply. Now, when you multiply, first thing we got to figure out, can we multiply these two together? They're not the same size, are they? The first one, when you label it or name it, you do rows by columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. That one's a 2 by 2. Just watch me. Y'all don't have to write it down. Let's label the second one.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Willie's right. So how do I figure out how big the answer is going to be? I don't think I've showed y'all this. Willie, use the outside numbers.
That's the
Now
inside
look.
number.
The middle is the inside. These inside numbers should be equal.
Oh, okay. No,
If they're equal, just kind of disregard them. Your answer should be 2 by 3.
6, actually. Yeah.
So, right, Willie, you're going to have 6 numbers, correct. That's how big our answer is going to be. I want y'all to do that first on every problem. I want you to figure out the size of the answer.
Okay. Are we just doing these 9, Coach?
No, sir, we got a lot of work today. It's Monday. Good day to work.
No, are we just doing these thousands?
All right, here we go, Willie. Nope, doing a lot of stuff. All right, when you multiply, to find this number, Willie, we're going to multiply the top row in the first column, like this. As I move over, I'm going to move down. So watch. What's 2 times 3?
6.
6, right?
Yeah, 6.
All right, what's 4 times 6? 24. Add them up, my first number is 30.
30.
What do you mean by 4 times 6?
Okay, here we go. Let's do it again. You're going to multiply across this way, Ariana, and down this way. It's rows by columns. So I multiplied these 2, I got 6. I then slid over and slid down. I multiplied these 2, I got 24. Add them up, that gave me 30. That's how you're going to do it every time to fill in these 6 blanks. Doesn't make sense yet. It will make sense. All right, so next, Ariana, I'm just going to keep working over this way. So look, now when I multiply across this way, I'm going to multiply down on this one. So what's 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. 4 times 0 is 0. Add them up, that answer is negative 4. right, let's keep going. Last, I got one more column I gotta do. 2 times 7 is 14.
And 2 times negative 5 is a negative.
Willie. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Add them up. Negative 6. Y'all will start getting the hang of it. It just may take a couple problems.
On the bottom, it didn't go up or that.
Do it the same way, Jason. We just go down to the bottom now and use the bottom row and we start over. For example, 3 times 3, I'm going to start back in the first column. That's 9.
Negative 1 is just.
Negative 1 in the 6
Negative
times
5.
them is negative 6.
Okay.
Add these two up. 3. All right, now move to the second column. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 1 times 0 is 0. Add them up. All right, last. 3 times 7 is 21. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Add them up. 26. Now, this is your answer. I'm not going to check and see. I mean, this is optional, guys. This stuff right here is optional. If you don't want to show me this, I'm not going to make it. Some of y'all can do it in your
Still
head.
don't understand.
Keep working. Just don't quit. All right, questions so far on number 5. All right, let's go number 6. All right, so number 6, look at what I've done. On the last matrix on number 6, they had a 2 out in front. I went ahead and distributed that. That's how I got negative 6, 4, 0, and 10. You guys go ahead and do that and get to where I'm at. I just went ahead and took care of that step very first.
Okay. Now you just do the 2 front, so it'll be a 2 by 2 on both sides, so it's 4.
All right, Willie, you're right. So look, guys, now it says multiply between these two and add between these two. Which ones do I do first?
The multiply one.
Multiply. So Willie said this side is a 2 by 2. And this matrix is a 2 by 2. So, as long as the middle numbers match up, we can multiply them. And the answer is going to be what the outside is. So, the answer is going to be a 2 by 2. I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. I'm going to go ahead and write down my other one that I'll have to do on the next step. And I'll wait on you guys to get caught up.
And now you just do the total. That's 2 times 3 is.
Hold on. Willie, since you know how to do it, you go ahead. Everybody else, I'm slowing down. I'm waiting. A lot of people, this is new. All right, Ariana, you ready? Get ready so I can help. All right, so we're going to find the first number right here. So when you multiply to find this first number, you're going to take the first row in the first column. You're going to multiply these two together, and then you're going to multiply these two together. As I move over, I move down, like that. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Add them up, you get 2.
This is 2.
And again, if you guys don't want to show this step, I don't care.
Answer 0.
Hadn't done it yet, Willie. All right, the next one, I'm going to move over now and do the next column, and I'll put my answer here. 2 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So actually, Willie, 0 plus 20 is 20.
Come on, Will. I'll be in 3 times is just 1.
So now look, if I want to find this answer, I've got to drop down now and do the bottom row. I'll multiply these two and these two. Okay? Negative 9. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then multiply these two, that's negative 2. Somebody add them up.
So 11.
Negative 11. All right, next I got 3 times 0 is 0. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Add them up, I got negative 5. So again, that is how you multiply two matrices together. All right, now the last step should be easy. we are going to just add these up. Everybody should know how to add these.
And just,
2 plus -6 is -4.
yeah.
Y'all stop me if I mess up anywhere. 20 plus 0 is 20.
-11 plus 4 is -14.
-7, Willie, just add them up in your calculator.
I'll have one.
-5 plus 10 is +5.
Oh, I can see a problem
You walk
with
the door
that.
down.
I need to get one to the door.
Every day you forget.
Yeah.
All right, anybody got a question on that one? That was problem number 6. Now, Chance says we got a problem on number 7. I think
Number
Chance is
7?
right.
Number 7 is,
7's gonna be difficult. Let me show it to you.
it has.
All right, here's 7. All right, so Nathan Willis, what's the size on this first matrix? 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 by 3. Everybody understand that one's a 2 by 3?
There's that one.
Jason says so is this one. All right, we got a problem. What's our problem?
And that equaling center.
Jason, the middle has to be equal in the center so that you can multiply these. And let me show you why. The answer on this one is does not exist. You can't multiply them. I'm going to show you why you can't.
Oh,
Because Jason, look, if I times this one and this one together, that's good. Slide over, times these two together, that's good. But look, 7 times, I don't have anything down here to times my 7 by. I don't have as many numbers in my column as I have in my row. That's a problem. We can't do this when you just write does not exist.
What about 8?
Hadn't looked at 8. But I know 7 you can't do.
8 and 9 the same way as number 5.
All right, let's go to, 8 and 9. Yeah, should be pretty easy. I'll help you on 8. Maybe y'all can do 9. All right, so look,
Four
the
answers.
first one is a 2 by 2. The second one is a 2 by 2. We got to figure out how big the answer is going to be,
4.
which is a 2 by 2. Willie.
Yep.
Willie's saying 4, meaning that they got 1, 2, 3, 4 answers you got to find. He's right.
Is that the order?
Willie, sit at your desk, please.
Yeah, you have like a 3.
All right, you guys try to find the first number. Let me give you a chance to try the first number. I'll wait on you. All right, let's finish it up. To move down and find these answers, you just got to move down and use the other row. 7 times -3 is -21, minus 2. Add them up, Willie. That's -23.
How'd you get to the 20?
Look, Willie. 7 times -3 is -21.
I put plus, that's all.
-1 times 2 is -2. Put them in your calculator, it's going to give you -23. Now the next one's easy because it's got a 0 in it. 7 times 0 is 0. -1 times 5 is -5. All right, I think I'm good on 8. Y'all check my answer, Chance. What you got?
I did the rest. All the rest.
All right, so y'all should be able to do 9. Do 9.
What was I doing 10, 11, 12?
We're not doing 10, 11, and 12.
So that's not the break.
No, we got stuff to do, Willie. Be patient.
Hey, Joshua.
All right, Nathan and Joe, y'all bring back your calculators?
Yeah, I got it in my truck.
You ain't brought them back yet.
Oh, my
Timmy,
truck
you got yours?
Oh my
What's the calculator?
Devin, right. Appreciate you being responsible, Devin.
Why am I the calculators back for us?
We use them, William.
For what?
What else?
They used them on the SAT. Hey, John's SAT, it got canceled in Ware County, right?
That one?
I took it in Wayne.
You took it in Wayne, how about you? Brunswick.
Everybody?
All right, looks like you guys are done with 9. Let me see what I get and we'll check answers real quick. I got -6 plus 0. -12 plus 0.
That's what y'all made.
I got 4 plus 35, which is 39, right? And I got 8 minus 5, which is 3. Somebody check that behind me. All right, so we're going to do 1, 2, and 3.
God, just remember you have.
All right, look, all it's asking you, Willie, on number one is, okay, first of all, can you multiply these two together?
Yes.
One's a 7 by 4, one's a 4 by 3.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Are the middle numbers equal?
Yeah.
Okay, how big would the answer be?
7 times 3.
7 by 3. That's all you write down for number one. They're just asking you how big would the answer be. All right, now let's look at number two. They are giving you the answer on number two, Ariana. You have to figure out how big the second matrix would be.
Oh, that's easy. That's
So, first of all, for you to be able to do it, the 5 has to match up in the middle. So it's 5 by something.
8.
5 by 8.
How do you know it's 8?
Because 8
Because there's an 8 on the end. Good. I like it. All right, y'all try 3 the same way.
Same way.
All right, you know it's got to be a 5 here because the middle numbers have to match up. You know this one's got to be an 8 because the outside gives you your answer, and the answer is a 3 by 8.
So it'll be, wait a minute. Number 2, number 3 is not a solution. Number 3 is no solution, though.
I don't believe so. I believe it has an answer.
I believe it don't because it has 1 in it.
All right, look, they're saying the answer is 2 by 6.
Oh, so it's
Outside's a 6, so this one's got to start with a 2.
2 by 1 in.
Very good. 2 by 1 because the middle has to match up.
Only my
The
M.
middles have to match up. The outside numbers give you the answer.
Go down the bathroom right now.
Willie? Willie, do you have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Go now, and then you won't go on bathroom break. You're going to have to stay in.
That's fine.
Go. All right, so now I'm giving y'all another sheet.
Huh? What? Why you gotta take your phone, man? I'm gonna leave it Why'd your face have black?
He got me up the
No.
All right, what size is the first matrix on 11?
Same thing as over.
All right, hold on now. Look, it's rows by columns. 1 row, 2 columns, so that's a 1 by 2.
It's 2 by 1.
All right, this one 2 rows, 1 column, 2 by 1. So, can we multiply these two together? Yes. How big will the answer be?
12.
Hold on. The middles cancel out. It'll be a 1 by 1, which means, look, that's just one number. Just one number. All right, get that one number.
12.
3 times 5 is 15.
Negative 1 times 6.
Minus 3, so chances right, that answer's 12. So that one was really easy. All right, y'all try 12 the same way we did 11.
Are we doing front base or back?
We're going to do the back first, and we'll do the front after break.
It's a 2 by 2.
I'm going to let y'all try it before I show it to you.
Boys never gonna learn about locking this stuff down.
Nope, never will. All right, Devin Wright. What size is the first one on number 12?
2 by 2.
What size is the second one?
2 by 1.
So, the middle cancels. My answer is going to be 2 by 1. So it's going to look like this. Everybody good? All right, so let's write the answer in there. I got 35, negative 4. I got 31 for my first number. All right, the bottom, I got 42 minus 8. Somebody do that for me. What's that? 34.
Whoa.
All right, check my answer right there. All right, everybody should be good on 13 and 14. Okay, I'm going to help you guys on 15, 16, and 17, but 13 and 14, everybody should be good. All right, let's do 15. First of all, we got to figure out, can we do it? All right, Nathan White, what size is my first matrix on 15? 2 by 2. What size is my second matrix? 2 by 3. So, the middles cancel, which means I know I can multiply them. My answer is going to be a 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, go ahead, Jason. Yeah, see if y'all can do it from here.